Oh, he's got it through the spreader.
It's through the spreader! Bad idea!
Jack. Someone did.
Jeez. Wire to wire.
Yeah.
Good Jack, boys!
We had it so well.
We had it so well. No. You gotta head up, you can't veer off. You gotta head up in order to get the pressure up. Keep coming up, You're like reaching.
Oh, really?
Go on, don't let it turtle.
Is it cold now?
No.
You didn't get wet.
I have to pee.
It's back to the boat right there. Make sure it's downwind.
Man, in our town today,
So you can pee into the wind.
last week I was just peeing off the back of the boat.
So you're supposed to do it. None of this amateur like hopping in the back, hopping in the water.
Amateur.
Yeah, I was talking about peeing.
Oh, okay.
What? Just gotta pee off the back of the boat. Alright, pee.
Oh, wait,
I'm watching pee at the same time.
Get it back, get in front, you're on the tiller.
That was useless.
How was their
I don't think they have it yet. Oh, no, they do.
Yeah!
You had the right idea, but you just gotta move quicker, Jack.
Alright. That was my fault, I think.
You can step over the side of the boat.
Jack's even taller.
It's funny, I tell you.
Uh-oh, look at them go.
You can literally tack like one step. Not even.
Grab the tiller!
I can't. Let's see.
Somehow it remained dry the entire time.
Oh my god.
What is this? Oh, limited sheet. We had it so well. Which side are we going to? This side?
They need to be happy. No, they just need to be more coordinated.
They need to be like less tall.
It's true. It's so hard.
Less tall, more stable.
Are you filming that?
Yeah. I was filming the right on that
It's actually going into your slideshow.
every picture that has 29er is gonna be that
Upside
upside
down.
down.
Or newly rigged. But hold on to his shoulders and lean back off, Jack.
No!
Go. Oh. All right, Jack, get ready to jump. Go.
Shit.
Look, they can literally step over the
Out
boat.
there. You know what? How about you get in first? Okay.
Grab the tiller!
Grab the tiller. Grab the tiller. Grab the tiller. When you're actually going, there's a very small area that up and cheat, head up and cheat. Good. Alright, head up. You're currently reaching the flip. Cheat in, more. Alright, top.
There we go.
Oh, he's got it.
Oh, that's a smart way to set.
Oh, good, he's cheating one. Ball down, Jack. Craig can cheat in more. No. Ball down. Cheat. Cheat in.
Cheat in more, ball down more.
Get out the wire. Get out the wire. Ball down.
Cheat in. Yes. Ball down more.
Ball down.
Okay, cheat in. Yes.
Step back, Jack. Step back. Cheat. Step back, right on the edge, not forward. Cheat.
They're getting it.
Good. Step back, Jack. You're right on the edge at the shroud, not in front of it now.
Getting it.
Alright, cheat in more. Back straight, Jack. Good.
Yeah.
Cheat right in.
They're good. They haven't capsized yet.
Yeah. Look at that. Cheat in. Head up.
No, wrong way.
It's really annoying with you guys talking.
Yeah, but maybe the other way.
Alright, cheat in. Come on, Greg.
Sorry. Very sorry.
I don't know why he's not cheating in.
Getting better.
They are.
Progression. Jackson can help me now.
Yeah, here we go. Now Jack's in
Now it'll
control.
now it'll
it'll
actually
go.
be sheeted in.
Yeah. And that's why you see from the fruit sheet. Oh, it's very off. Not sure why. Salt and that dip is gonna get breathed down on. That's why. Yeah.
Head up!
Very I don't need to give them a weight to turn them off. They'll be fine.
What?
They'll just keep bearing off. Oh, they're coming up again.
Amazing!
Whoa, heading up makes the boat stay upright. Interesting. It's like I knew that or something.
They're good.
Rather than on the spin.
Oh, they're good.
They're down. Now he's got to figure it out. For their sake, I hope it's not way too fast. They don't have the chute hooked up.
Big cup. If we come up, it'd be great.
Jack's gotta get out on trap though.
Come up.
Oh, wing in the water. Craig is cowering in the boat. Now decided to drive from Lewis.
Turn his back to the bow. It
Alright.
worked.
It did. Alright, look at this puff coming down. We good. Guarantee it. so hard on that rudder. Another straight bearing off or ring. Ring down.
No one has a hand on
We're both trying to balance. And no one's trying to try. Alright, this is pretty good. Especially because they're reaching trimmed off. I told you, they're trimmed all the way and reaching.
That low power.
seeping in!
That low power stuff is so cool.
Oh man, they need to fly in
They're
this.
missing out.
Oh my god, we had the best gust coming.
Yeah, because they're right against.
Shut up!
I feel bad about telling you to be quiet.
I don't!
It's
Shut
hard.
up!
It's hard listening to you. It's sailing.
I didn't actually realize.
Jack just said.
No one's watch. No one's gonna grab on. Go! See you doer.
Coming to make sure everything's okay. You look a lot cooler in wetsuits here. Oh! Whoa!
That's pretty good.
Well, someone went for the killer.
Stop laughing! It's our first game!
Yo, this is good pop! Hurry!
Hurry hard! Jack halfway across.